I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Dos Primos, Cebu. Dos Primos Cebu is known for their chicken karaage trays, but they are sending me their chicken karaage meal. And their karaage comes in 3 flavors, the original, the sesame, and the hot and spicy. And for that, mga una gyud dayon ta guys, and giuna gyud ako ang mojos that goes with the chicken karaage, and lami gyud kaayo siya. Actually, what I am doing, I am trying all the mojos sa different nga chicken kung naba sa siya flavor, but actually wala di ay except sa spicy nga medyo daghan sinabutangan og flakes nga hanghang pud siya og apil. And now I'm trying the mojos with the dip, and lami ra sa gyud kaayo ang dip itself. And now let's go with the chicken karaage. What I am trying first is the sesame karaage chicken pops, and lami ra sa gyud kaayo siya on its own. Now i-try na to with the dip. Mas lami siya, but honestly ganahan na kay kunya even without the dip. Mas lami siya, plus the chips again. Seriously, lami ra gyud kayo lahang chips, added the crispy pa kayo siya bisa ganina ra deliver. Probably it might be because of their insulated paper box. And now I am trying the original karaage chicken, and it really tastes good, especially with the sauce. So mas nindot gyud ang original karaage with the sauce actually. Eating it plain is also good, pero mas lami siya together with the sauce. And now let's try the hot and spicy, and this is what I mean, ang mojos nga kuyog sa hot and spicy nga karaage kay naa sa chili flakes, so marag medyo hanghang pud siya. And now let's try the chicken na gyud. And hang jud kay siya. Lami siya nga pagkahang, and perfect sa siya with the sweet nga creamy nga dip. So to order guys, you may just message their official social media accounts, or you can find them in LEB Mobile. But then again guys, always eat in proper proportions, and don't forget to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye bye.